Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a way to earn a free crypto just by using your phone, then actually this video is for you. Today we are going to review an app called Satoshi App, an airdrop app with over more than actually 15 million downloads. Okay, wow, this app is actually popular. I will show you how it works, how to earn more tokens, and whether it's legit or not. Okay. Now, for a short answer, this app is legit. All right. So you don't really have to be scared that the app may really scam you or something. It's actually legit, as we are going to see. Now, for someone who's actually wondering what even airdrops are, if you're not really in the crypto world, crypto airdrops are a marketing strategy where blockchain projects give away free tokens to users. Okay. These are usually meant to promote a new crypto, reward loyal users, and attract attention to a platform before a token is officially launched on the exchanges. Why do airdrops happen? They create awareness about a new crypto project. They distribute tokens to early supporters or testers, build a community before a token is listed publicly, and they incentivize users to use or hold the token. Okay. How do you get the airdrops? You sign up on a project's platform, okay, hold a specific token in your wallet, complete small tasks like following on Twitter, joining Telegram, etc. Okay, or just be active in a crypto community. We're going to really see a few things about this app and we see how it goes. Okay. Now, before I continue, you have to be a bit careful because there are so many actually airdrops platforms there, but I will actually advise you to stick to the well-known airdrop platforms like Satoshi App, CoinMarketCap, and others. But I think currently I've been using these. Okay, so I'm going to take you through this review. I'm assuming like you're kind of a beginner, so if you're kind of a pro, you may find it a bit boring to explain a few things we should already know, but let me assume like you're kind of a beginner. Okay. Now, once you actually download the app, you forgive me, there are actually upgrade which kind of messed up the way this thing shows on my phone emulator. But once you download the app, you create an account. When you create an account, you can claim actually our rewards. You can complete even daily, tasks. Some of the tasks are few as kind of small. They'll tell you to kind of maybe follow them on Twitter or something. You can also invite friends to earn team mining bonuses. Okay, all these actually boost your hash power, which is used to calculate how much of the airdrops you will receive. Right now, Satoshi Apps regularly launches token campaigns. Okay, and when an airdrop period opens, your hash power determines how many tokens you can claim. Okay, so now about navigating on about the token statistics and on-chain tools. You can get access to powerful on-chain tools like crypto staking, token price tracking, and even trading with leverage within the app. Okay, is this app legit? It's kind of legit, just as every other app. Actually, it has complaints, but basically this app is legit. Few of the comments people are complaining about an update. The app before the recent major update was absolutely fabulous. Actually, I still agree with the old update that actually they upgraded to. It was kind of cool. Okay, now if you're kind of a person who is trying to explore crypto without spending money, then Satoshi app is one of the best ways to start. You won't really get rich overnight, but over the time with constant use, these tokens will add up, especially if any project goes big. All right. So it's hard to know how much you can make from this app, but basically this is a good app. You can really try to earn some money. You don't really have to invest anything, so there's nothing really to lose. If you're interested in apps like videos like this, subscribe on my YouTube channel. Leave me a like. I really appreciate. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Now see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.